Hey Metro Phoenix, imagine having the time to enjoy your family or a round of golf instead of doing laundry. And imagine your overflow or special event operations running smoothly because you always have fresh, clean, pressed towels, linens, and uniforms ready to go. Airwash 24 offers premium pickup and delivery laundry services for residents and small businesses. Here's how it works. Go to airwash24.org to schedule a pickup, or if you're a business, request a quote. We pick up, we perfect it. We deliver it back clean, fresh, and drawer fold ready within 24 to 72 hours based on your needs. We use ozone washing, no harsh chemicals, no bacteria. Airwash 24 offers a variety of options like pay as you go at just $2.99 per pound, or save money with one of our subscription plans starting at $69.99 a month. Book now and receive a free laundry bag and 10% off your first month. Refer a new customer and get $10 for every referral. So stop doing laundry and let Airwash 24 do it for you. Schedule your pickup or business quote at airwash24.org or call 833-247-7831. Thanks for being a breath of fresh air.